Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. In this video, we will see 30 one-liner questions regarding to agronomy. Let's move forward. Our first question is, recently the scientists they have separated germs in maize corn for manufacturing. The answer is contraceptive. Our second question is, sowing time of Boro rice. The answer is December to January. Basically, three types of seasons are present for rice cultivation in India. First one, it is the Aus or autumn. Second, Aman or Kharif or winter. Third one, it is the Boro or summer. So the sowing type of Boro rice is in December to January. Boro means what? Boro refers to rice which is grown in submerged land which is lower in elevation, and it is grown during December to January, and this Boro it is also known as summer crop because the Boro rice is harvested in summer season. Now we will see our third question. If the price of a commodity increases, then the demand will decrease. Of course, whenever the price of a commodity in the market increases, the demand goes on decreasing. Our fourth question, Mexican dwarf wheat was evolved by. Okay, Mexican dwarf wheat, it is nothing but Triticum aestivum. This Mexican dwarf wheat, it was evolved by Dr. N.E. Bolrang. Okay, so this Mexican dwarf wheat it is presently grown in India everywhere, and therefore it is called as the common bread wheat, and it was evolved by Dr. N.E. Bolrang of Mexico at CIMMYT. Our next question is, the non-traditional area for cultivating wheat is, and the answer is Eastern India or West Eastern India, that is West Bengal. Okay, this is our answer. The non-traditional area for cultivating wheat, and the answer is Eastern India. Our sixth question, during submergence in rice field, means what they are asking, that when the rice field is in submersion, at that time which nutrient availability increases. So the answer is the iron availability increases. The iron availability increases when the rice field is in submersion. Our seventh question, that is the white eye of rice. See, this is our seventh question, that white eye of rice it is caused by our iron deficiency. See, because of iron deficiency, what happened? The new leaves they starts getting yellow, incomplete intervernal chlorosis, and the fruit setting in Brassica species it is drastically reduced and siliqua remain white. This happens when iron deficiency takes place. So what were the symptoms? The new leaves they start getting yellow and incomplete intervernal chlorosis. Our eighth question, it is the irrigation method which is suitable or which is used in cotton, sugarcane, tobacco and vegetables are, and the answer is furrow irrigation. Okay, what's our answer? Our answer is furrow irrigation. Furrow irrigation it is suitable for crops which is grown with ridges and furrows. That is example it is given: sorghum, maize, cotton, tobacco, brinjal, tomato, potato, sugarcane, etc. And the furrow length varies or it ranges from 30 to 300 meter. Now our ninth question we will see. Ninth, wheat protein. Wheat protein it is called as gluten. And one more question, as the wheat protein is asked, the wheat protein is gluten, and maize protein it is known as zein. Zein, zein. Okay, so wheat protein we will see, that is gluten. Chapati making quality they depends on this gluten strength, and the strong gluten variety they are most suitable for bread and for the expression of high leaf volume, attractive brownish crust, silky and small granular structure of crumbs. and the some of the varieties are HI 977, NI 5439. So this was about 9 question. Now we will see our 10th question. 10th question we will see the scientific or the botanical name of soybean. It is Glycine max, and the family of soybean, it is Leguminosae, and the soybean, it is also known as boneless meat wonder crop or yellow jewel, and the origin of soybean, it is Eastern Asia, or we can say that is China. Our 11th question, plant growth regulator which is used as a sugarcane ripener, and the answer is glyphosate. This is the plant growth regulator which is used for sugarcane ripener. Our 12th question, our 12th question, which rice variety got geographical indicator recently? So the answer is Govindo Bhog. See friends, this Govindo Bhog rice, which is the speciality from Burdwan district of West Bengal, and the state government has applied for the GI status for this Govindo Bhog rice on 24th of August 2015. Okay, so this is somewhat back year status, but recently when we are speaking about 2020, so in the year 2020, black rice which is from Manipur, this is the rice which has got the GI tag recently. Black rice which is also known as Chakhovo, and two popular cultivators of black rice, they are Chakhovo Ambuvi and Chakhovo Porturan. Okay, so these are the varieties. So now we will deal with our 12th question, that which rice variety has got the geographical indicator recently. Actually it is discussed, sorry. Our question number 13, that most sensitive and critical moisture stage in sugarcane, and the answer is grand growth. Actually sugarcane crop has 4 important irrigation stages. First one, germination stage, which comes after 60 days after sowing. Next one, formative stage, 60 to 130 days after sowing. Grand growth stage, 130 to 250 days after sowing, and maturity, that is 250 to 365 days. So from this, the grand growth and the formative stage, both these stages are very sensitive for irrigation. Okay, so the grand growth and keep in mind formative stage also. So the most sensitive and critical stage in sugarcane, grand growth as well as formative stage. Okay, now our next question, that is the 14, vector of rice tungro virus is, and the answer is green leaf hopper. This question is asked in various IBPS in the IBPS A4 2020 also. This question was asked. 15 question, the use of synthetic varieties for commercial cultivation, it was first suggested in maize by, and the answer is Hayes and Barber in 1919. So this is the answer for our. So now we will deal with our 16th question, that is apical dominance in sugarcane is due to, the answer is high auxin content. 17th question, in sugarcane, in sugarcane upper 1/3 part is used for sowing, means why only 1/3 part of sowing, 1/3 part of sugarcane is used for sowing, and the answer is it is due to high nitrogenous substance and glucose for better germination. So this was our answer. And the material which is used for sowing, it is known as seed pieces or sets, and top 1/3 to half portion of cane, it has been comparatively immature, and thus they are having high glucose content, which is very good for germination. And planted sets, they should have at least 3 buds with 10 to 12 month age. So this was about our 17th question. Now we will see about 18th question, that India, it is the second country after China to have commercialized in, and the answer is hybrid rice technology. Means the hybrid rice technology, it was first commercialized in China, and after China, our country, India. Okay, our 19th question, the place of origin of sugarcane is, the sugarcane origin, it is New Guinea, or you can say Indo-Burma. This is the place of origin of sugarcane. 20 question, the rice it is originated from, the answer is Indo-Burma, that is India and Burma, or as a sativa. Okay, our 21 question, that rice variety in tropics. Okay, the rice variety in tropics, the answer is Indica. Now we will get some more information regarding this variety in concern with rice. So see friends, genus Oryza, they have 24 species, and out of which only 2 species are cultivated, that is Oryza sativa. It is a diploid 2n is equal to 21, and this Oryza sativa, it has 3 main geographical races, that is Indica rice, Japonica rice and Javanica rice. So this Indica rice, it is a tropical rice which is grown in India, and it has less on, or you can say it has short on, and it is late in maturity, and this variety possesses long stem. Next, that is the Japonica. It is a temperate or subtropical which is grown in Japan. See, Japonica, it is grown in Japan, and it is early maturing, photosynthetically very active, and possess short stem and are very responsive to nitrogenous fertilizer. Okay, so this was about Japonica. Now we will see about Javanica, which is also known as Bhalu rice, and it is a wild form of rice which is mainly grown in Indonesia, and this variety possesses many awns. Okay, means the genus Oryza has 24 species, out of which only 2 are cultivated. First one, it is Oryza sativa, and next it is Oryza glaberrima. And Oryza sativa has 3 main geographical races, that is Indica rice, Japonica rice, Javanica rice, also known as Bhalu rice. So this was, I have explained you 21 question in detail. So 22 question is very easy, and I think you can answer it. The rice variety which is grown in India, it is belongs to Indica. Yes. So 23rd question, the hybrid rice was grown for commercial production for the first time in, then the answer is Japan. Our 24th question, the paddy variety which is also known as miracle rice of India. Okay, the paddy variety which is also known as miracle rice of India, it is Java. Okay, now we will see that this Java, it was evolved by Dr. Shastri, and it is the first rice variety which was developed under India's rice program. And this Java, it was the cross between TN1 and T141. Okay, and this variety out yielded TN1 and IR8. Okay, and thus this Java, it is known as the miracle rice of India. Okay, our 24th question, double cross hybrid in maize, it was first suggested by, and the answer is Johns. So John suggested the double cross hybrid in maize. Now we will see about Atsali sugarcane which is planted in June to July. Again we are having about autumn planting is done, which is planted in October in North India. Then Atsali planting which is done in June to July, and this Atsali planting takes about 15 to 18 months for harvesting, and it is commonly grown in South India or Maharashtra, you can say. And the third time of planting, it is Atsali or spring planting. It is planted in January to February and takes about 1 year time for harvesting, and it is mostly common in North India. So on the basis of time of planting, the planting, it is autumn planting, Atsali planting, or spring planting. Okay, autumn planting planted in October in North India, Atsali in June to July in South India, and spring planting, planted in January to Feb in North India. Okay, so this was about your question number 26. Atsali sugarcane is planted in June to July. Our 27th question, that is the Pearling index in wheat measures. It measures nothing but the kernel hardness. Okay, so the kernel hardness, it is measured in wheat through the use of Pearling index. Our Aman rice, our 28th question, Aman rice, it is also known as Kharif or winter rice. In the starting, this I have explained you about Boro rice. Now we will get some more information about Aman rice, which is also known as Kharif or winter rice. So this Aman, they have derived, so this Aman word, it is derived from Arabic word which means safety, which indicates the stability of crop. Aman rice, it is also called as winter rice due to the harvesting time in winter. Now our 29th question, under lowland cultivation, price take oxygen through, answer is leaves. See, in lowland cultivation of rice, see, when the rice is cultivated in lowland, the oxygen is taken through leaves. And the sowing depth of dwarf variety, it is directly depend upon the length of coleoptile, and the sowing depth, it is 3 to 5 centimeter. So friends, this was all regarding your 31 liner questions regarding to agronomy. And please see this video carefully. Your terms and conditions regarding to this questions will be cleared. And if you want more questions regarding to agronomy, please do like what content you needed in our video. Please suggest it, do comment and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.